Yo! What the?
That bike was there?
Yeah, I was.
Revving his engine, you didn't hear him?
I was turning.
I was just thinking, are you okay?
You broke the bike, man.
Is it okay?
I was revving my engine. What's up, man?
Gas now,
Yeah, because you.
Listen, I give you cash.
Man.
Registration insurance card, man. Holy shit. Well, he wasn't there when I came in. But he was here.
Yeah, and I was turning.
This is the way to turn.
Yeah, this is the way to turn.
Because you don't park here. And so he was getting the turn. Because I saw him from my car. And then he was going, then he started backing up, and he was revving his engine because he was on the horn. And then he just kept backing up. Can I figure something out? You can give me your license, registration, insurance card. That's what you can do. I don't think that has a deal with first tag's going to be X-ray top of bike, box 3.
What?
You don't want to do an accident report, is what he's telling me.
Yeah, I mean.
You make up your mind. I'm not going to tell you one way or another to do whatever you want to do.
He said he's gonna pay me for.
What was that?
I mean, what is it?
Yeah. I told him he can take a picture of ID and I can sell him whatever you want. I mean, this going through insurance is not really working. That's whatever you guys decide, not for me.